Hey, what's up YouTube and welcome back to Don't Mess with Cake. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make, hold on, let me reload it, how to make
you have to reload it.
Exploding envelope. Like that.
I thought it ripped for a second. When you turn it around, it looks kind of greenish.
Like that.
Or maybe I'm just colorblind. I don't know.
So, I'm using alphabet paper. And if you're going to use alphabet paper, or if you're using copy paper, you don't have to fold. Skip along if you want to know how to finish how to make it. But this is how you make it, like this.
Is it going to take 15 minutes?
No.
How long?
Let's take a little bit, I don't know. Dad said no.
Why?
I don't know. He said no to me.
I'm going to go last.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Hold on, I'm going to say something.
No, I'm going to see something. I'm going to see something. You need to give it to me.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay, then. Here.
A brown.
Get square paper.
Or square paper. So square paper. And you take your square paper, you fold it up to the other side. It's really helpful too. And take the creases on. Like that. So you have your paper like this. Make good creases. Here, yeah. So, shut the door. Here. Continue. Over there.
I left it over here.
So, then you have an opening flap. And you have an X. So you're gonna, when you folded it over like that, you can see you have a flap. You're gonna take the flap, you're gonna put it like almost out, like this little flap over the edge for like about an inch, like that. And you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna fold it until you meet up to this line. Like that. And then you're gonna open it up. Do the same thing to the other side. Open it up. Fold back. And you have a pocket in the middle right here. You're gonna fold that part into the middle of the pocket like that. Okay, so like this, like that, fold down. So then you have a little part right here. You're gonna fold down over the opening parts here. There you go, there's your exploding envelope. So when you explode it, Sam, stop.
What?
You're showing me.
I'm showing the envelope.
Okay, I'm gonna go up here. So when you have your exploding envelope, you have a little part right here. You know, hold from the top, like this, and then, oh, but yeah, there you go. For the other one.
If you want to make two, you can just make one. Don't matter.
Over. That. Hold down. Then take it up here. Take it and
Looks like the Superman symbol.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Click for more videos. For more, I'll show you how to make the origami wristband for the flicker. A little tutorial of how I'm gonna do it for you guys. Like this.
And also like and subscribe.
Hold on. This. Okay, hold on. This, guys. Fold over. Oh, okay. Fold over. Fold in. Foldings, and like that, whatever. So that's how you make it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe. Smash that like button.
You already said like.
I know. And subscribe. Peace.